हमारा सप्रेम नमस्कार, आदाब, सलाम।
My respected teacher and my dear friends, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my dear friends who gave me a golden opportunity to speak in front of you. I'm Uzalara and I'm learning English from Global Spoken English. Today I have very interesting topic and my topic name is Importance of Teacher. Before starting my speech, I would like to say some lines in Hindi. जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना चुका पाएंगे जिसका कर्जा, माँ ही नहीं भगवान के बराबर, गुरु का भी है उतना ही महान दर्जा। Now I am going to start my topic. Teachers are the gift of God and teacher is also known as Guru. Education is the most thing for us and we can't achieve without a teacher. A teacher considers his student and as his children and works hard to make them successful. A teacher is also plays role of motivator by motivating, encouraging of students. A good teacher like a friend that help us in all our problems. A teacher follows a nation with doctors, engineers, scientists, officers, etc. etc. A student can never shape his life and future without a teacher. A teacher is the most influential people next to parents. So students respect our teacher because we can get knowledge from a teacher. And knowledge is a power. That's all. I would like to say some lines in English. Speak 5 lines yourself every morning. I'm the best. I can do it. I'm winner. And God is always with me. And last, today is my day. Before finishing my topic, I would like to say some lines in Hindi. हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों रंग चाहिए एक रंगोली बनाने के लिए, और बस एक गुरु ही काफी है बच्चों की जिंदगी स्वर्ग बनाने के लिए। I would like to finish my topic. Thanks for listening to me. Have a nice day. Keep smiling. Thank you so much.
भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो मेरे भाइयों, देर किस बात की, नए बैच के लिए एडमिशन ओपन हो चुका है।